Rare moment where the three of us. Thank you for not flaking. Is he not allowed to go with us?
No.
I am ready. What time is it?
Because if you're late 1 minute, you're still late.
She is a stickler when it comes to time management. So even if you're like a minute late, my mom considers it late. It's really good ethic in general, but yeah.
You're still in your learning curve.
Yeah, she's like lenient on me. I'm horrible with time management. I think you guys know that. Welcome to a raw vlog. We are gonna be heading out for the day. My mom, myself, and my dad. This is a rare moment where the three of us are gonna be heading out together. It's gonna be a really interesting raw vlog kind of day. I thought I got mail today, but I guess not. We are on our way to Burbank. We're gonna go watch this movie that my mom really wanted to watch. A Filipino movie. It's called The Last Full Show, which stars R.C. Munoz. And who else? My mom wasn't even sure if she wanted to watch this. She was kind of backing out a little bit last night. But I told her, no, we should just go. And then my dad said that he probably might just go with us, but he's not gonna watch the movie. I think he's gonna go walk around the mall. His favorite store is Macy's. Thank you for not flaking, Mom.
Almost did.
I know, she almost did. Like that, like this close. That would have not been okay if she flaked on me. She said there's nobody on the freeway, which there's nobody on the freeway.
There's nothing.
There's nothing right now, but once you acknowledge it, that's when boom, there's traffic. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? There's traffic. We're here, AMC, downtown Burbank Entertainment Village.
There's an elevator.
I'm sure Dad will see that there's an elevator, but garage where we parked, it's like an enclosed parking structure, a little bit sketch, like directly underneath this place. But he said he had a headache. We were trying to convince him just to like get out of the car, go walk around, but he wanted to stay in there.
He's very hard-headed.
Next time, is he not allowed to go with us?
No.
My mom even like told him he shouldn't sleep in the car, but you know, kind of hard-headed, I guess. We got our tickets. Look at my mom. She is so hooked to her phone now.
Oh, no.
You ready?
Kumita to ng 550 million. Kumita yan ng...
I don't know what happened. I'll try to explain it, but it's basically about this director. She has to direct a romance comedy movie, but she kind of portrayed the movie to her situation, her love life situation. The movie was a little bit slow.
Yes.
Don't you agree that the movie was like a little bit slow in the beginning?
Yes.
Yeah, in the beginning I was like, uh-oh, what is this? Is this probably like a quarter of a way into the movie? That's when things really sped up and the storyline got really interesting. And the ending wasn't like the typical Filipino romance movie. Let's just put it that way.
Acting was good. I like the story.
I think the biggest downfall was that the subtitles were cut off at the bottom. So what if you couldn't understand Tagalog? Right?
Yes.
Didn't you notice that? It was cut off at the bottom.
From the beginning to the end.
We were the only two people in the theater. We were really surprised. But didn't you say you saw somebody else? Maybe they walked out because the subtitles, I'm guessing? Maybe that was it.
That's a big downfall.
When we were in the movie theater, Darren called me. I texted him, you know, we were watching a movie. And then he texted me back. I was going to tell you. He said a tornado is probably going to hit soon. So I just wanted to let you guys know. It's a tornado in South Carolina.
Well,
I'm sure they're
sure
okay.
they have good facilities there.
Yeah. She's so cautious. She just told me to watch where I'm going. Hi. We just watched Last Full Show. I just wanted to let you guys know that the subtitles are cut off.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll let someone know.
Okay, thanks. See that? We let them know. Mom already got parking here in Portos in Burbank. Let me tell you, people are insane over here. Granted, it's Easter on Sunday, so I get that. So let's see exactly what this line is gonna look like today, because normally in Portos, especially in this location, they're pretty good with their service, meaning you walk in, you get in line, maybe less than 10 minutes, and then you're able to get your stuff. Ooh, did you know that they have smoothies here at Porto? Ooh, they have a horchata smoothie. Look at the line, guys. It's, I'm sure it's not gonna be that long. Switch lines. This is for the sandwiches, salads, whatever. I'm hungry. My dad is not a team player today. He is sitting in the car. I didn't realize that they have a policy that you need to have a pager, meaning you need to have ordered something in order to save a table. I'm sure you guys know how it is. Like, one person will stand in line, will order, and then somebody else will save the table. But I guess it's no longer like that, which is like a smart move on their part. Look at that. I did not know that they have a spicy potato ball. What are these?
I don't know.
Wow.
I don't know the name.
There's no name. Ham croquette, chicken croquettes. Have you guys tried these? My mom said that they have seasonal items too. This is new. It's a seafood potato ball. We've never tried this either. The chorizo pie or the chicken empanada. No, you don't like them. She blatantly said that she didn't like them. So we have some cheese rolls. 6 cheese rolls. What do you guys order from Portos? What do you guys get? Then, this is my mom's ham croquette. 3 spicy potato balls and 2 regular. Is this called a ham croquet? Like the game croquet or croquette? My mom already ate some of it. Crispy. It's kind of rich. It's like there's cream. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's good. But it's like cheesy. Oh my god. Sorry, I almost spit out a piece of the food. I'm using a regular straw. Hold on, let me check my bag. Ang ingay yung katabi natin. Look, I got my straw! Lizzie, I got this because of you. Hold on. Look at this. Look. It's horchata. You want to try it? No? Look, my mom's gonna try it. Hang on. What do you think? She doesn't like cinnamon. Damn, this is pretty good. I'm just a fan of horchata in general. On the verge of hangry. You're so impatient. Yes, Mom, you're so impatient right now. Guy at the cashier told us it's 10 minutes. We have been here. Mom, we've only been sitting here for like 5-6 minutes. Yes. No. Tuna croissant with the banana chips. This is my mom's. It's the, oh my gosh, lechon, I think. I'm sorry. I know I probably butchered that. When we were at Portos earlier, there were 3 people sitting next to us, okay? Now, we were like literally right next to them. These people next to us, like this lady, oh my gosh, you guys, she literally was like yelling as if the people she was talking to were like across the room. So I'm hoping that the mic, because I used an external mic to film that portion, because the acoustics in Portos isn't the greatest. Everything is like echoey, it's so loud, but damn, dude, this chick was yelling at the top of her lungs talking to the people next to her. She was like pitching something to them. But goodness gracious, dude, she was so freaking loud. We are now at our last destination of the day. If you are in Burbank, you need to stop by this place. This is my dad's request. This is the only place that he really wanted to check out today. That's why he hasn't been a team player. He didn't want to go with us to watch the movie. He didn't want to go with us to Portos, but no, he wants to go here to IKEA. And I think the reason why he wants to go here is because he wants to get the Swedish meatballs and he's waiting to eat. That's why he didn't want to eat with us. Just wanted to point out that I have a bag as if I'm gonna buy something, because I'm really not. I'm feeling the aesthetic of this room. I love the color. of the wall. It's like a blush pink with the white, and then we have the 50 Shades of Grey going on. Feel quite at home here. Ooh, hang on a second. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. How much is it? I would love to have one, like as if I take a bath, you know? But wow, super fancy. Are we allowed to get in there? Let's get in the bathtub. Are we gonna get kicked out of IKEA? Straight chilling inside the tub of IKEA. Anyway, I have no business even really looking around IKEA. I mean, I'm just browsing, but we are not redecorating. We are not changing up the decor. It's like as is. Loving this whole blush pink, white, and gray aesthetic with the green, like the greenery. This would be so nice if we had like if we had a window in our bathroom, but we don't. Okay, let's get out of the tub before somebody tells me to get out. Leaving here without purchasing anything. Content with the way how the room looks, and that's that. And it was fun kind of climbing into a bathtub that was kind of secretly hidden. Look what my mom purchased. She got these funnels, $1.09. All right, winner, winner. We asked my dad if he had fun, and he said, "What did you say, Dad?"
I'm not going with you anymore.
He's not gonna go with us anymore. So we're home now. Oh, uh-oh. Didn't try the spicy balls when we were there. The spicy potato balls. Hubs is home now, so I wanted us to both try it. Do you know which one it is? Is it the one that's
Round, but it's flat.
Oh, the spicy balls are round but flat. So this is what they look like. Flattened balls. Here you go. So we can both try it, because normally we'll put tapatio or like hot sauce or something. Wait, hold on. We have to do a cheers for the balls. Cheers for the balls. Which one do you like better?
The original.
You like the original better?
Talaga. Akala ko mas magugustuhan mo yung spicy.
Has jalapenos in it.
At saka pork yata yan.
Oh, wala pong Porto.
Wala.
There's a spicy potato ball.
Spicy potato balls.
Spicy balls. I think it'd be even better if we put some hot sauce on it. Turn it down just a smidge. Just a little smidge. Turn down the volume, please. Just a little tiny, like
No,
minute.
you want raw as it gets.
Anyway, forgot to update you guys with the tornado in Darren's area in South Carolina. So I called him back literally like 30 minutes later, and he said they were in the clear. So that's good. But yeah, it was a really fun day with my parents. Really rare. It's really rare when the three of us, like, you know, kind of go out together and hang out, you know, like old times, like back in the day, like high school days and stuff. But I felt so bad for him because I didn't realize we were out for 8 hours, and that's like really pushing the limit. My mom and I, we're good. We're all good, and we enjoy stuff like that. But you know, like with men and guys in general, they have their limits. Imported the footage from today's raw vlog, and it was like 45 minutes. So I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be. Please comment down below, what did you guys think of the raw vlog? Would you guys be interested in seeing more of these types of vlogs in the future? I don't know about daily, but maybe when we go out, or you know, there's something that's, you know, something that happens, or I don't know. Or would you guys be interested in seeing a daily raw vlog? Because ooh thanks. I just really want to get your opinion, your feedback. It was definitely a different take on vlogging, but it was fun to, you know, have you guys go around with us. So give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next raw vlog.